If you've ever needed to find a sprint ID or number in Jira, maybe for reporting, automation, or a particularly picky filter, you know it's not always as obvious as it seems. Luckily, there's a super efficient trick using Jira's advanced issue search that instantly reveals the unique sprint ID, even if you only know the sprint name. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to uncover the sprint ID in just a few seconds, and you'll get some tips to avoid common pitfalls along the way. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to use something called JQL Search Autocomplete. JQL stands for Jira Query Language. It's a powerful way to build custom searches in Jira. Don't worry if you're new to it, you won't need to write a complex query. And you don't need administrator rights for this. We're just using JQL's friendly suggestion feature as a shortcut. Start by heading to the top navigation bar in Jira and look for Filters. Click on it, and then select Advanced Issue Search. This is where you can run search queries across all your Jira issues. If you don't already see a text box for JQL, look for an option near the top right labeled Switch to JQL and click it. That'll flip you from simple mode into the advanced view. Now, we'll build a tiny query. In the JQL editor, start typing sprint x and then, right after the equal sign, add your sprint's name in quotation marks. So, for example, if your sprint was called sprint 8, you'd type sprint equals sprint 8. As you start typing, you'll notice Jira pops up a drop-down list of matching sprints. This autocomplete feature is your best friend here. Here's a key tip. If your sprint names are very common, like just sprint 1 or release, you might see multiple results. Take an extra moment to check the associated board name displayed with each suggestion. That way, you pick the right sprint, especially if you work with multiple teams or overlapping projects. It's a small detail, but it can save you from hunting down the wrong sprint later on. Once you've found and clicked your sprint in the dropdown, watch what happens. Jira automatically replaces your sprint's name with a number. Something like sprint alto 12345. This number right here is the unique sprint ID that Jira uses behind the scenes. It's kind of like finding the barcode for your sprint. Even if there are sprints out there with the same name, this ID is always unique. You don't have to actually run the search if you're only here for the sprint ID. You can simply copy the number out of your JQL query and use it anywhere you need, whether it's for automating tasks, writing more advanced queries, or integrating with other tools. This quick method saves a lot of time and frustration compared to digging through Jira's backend or browsing through the sprint reports. And a quick reassurance, if your sprint doesn't appear right away, double-check your spelling, or try typing fewer letters. Sometimes Jira's autocomplete needs just a moment to load up the right suggestions, especially if you have a lot of active boards and sprints. So, in just a few steps, you've not only found the sprint ID, but you also learned a handy bit of Jira's search power that'll make your everyday work even smoother. If this walkthrough helped you out, go ahead and give the video a like. And if you have any questions, want to share your own Jira tips, or ran into any bumps along the way, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy querying.